5 refreshing summer dishes. These items should be included in your summer diet. Summer is an excellent time to stock up on delectable and nutritious seasonal favorites such as mangoes. The 6 summer foods listed below are the ones you should eat during the hot season for the optimum health. Cucumber. Would you like to be as cool as a cucumber in this scorching summer heat? Add these acidic, crunchy fruits. Yep, it's a fruit. To your salad platter. Cucumbers are naturally minimal in calories, carbohydrates, salt, fat, and cholesterol. Furthermore, because they are 95% water, they naturally hydrate, which is vital for remaining cool. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the most hydrating summer foods. Furthermore, the appealing red hue suggests that it has a rich supply of lycopene, the same heart protective component found in tomatoes. Try watermelon drizzled with olive oil in a sweet and savory summer salad, or coat it with oil and grill it since you absorb more lycopene when you eat it with fat. Corn. Corn is a high carbohydrate food that's also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It does, however, have a low protein and fat level, making it an excellent summer side dish or snack. Corn is high in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that may protect against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Cherries. Cherries are one of the most refreshing fruits to consume in the summer heat. Cherries are particularly high in polyphenols, a broad family of plant substances that protect against cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Melon. Is there anything more refreshing in the summer than a slice of cool melon? Watermelon is a typical 4th of July side dish. Whether you choose cantaloupe or honeydew, you will get plenty of vitamin C.